Hidden among neighboring buildings, this house turns inward to create its own world of light, air, and greenery. Instead of focusing on the street, the design centers on a new courtyard that brings a sense of openness to the heart of the home.
The project was developed as an extension to an existing house surrounded by 4 adjacent properties. With no direct views of the outside, the architects focused on improving comfort while creating additional living space.
The main idea was simple. Rather than filling the site with construction, part of the existing structure was removed to create an open courtyard. This intervention allowed natural light and fresh air to reach the interior, while strengthening the connection between the old and new parts of the house.
Where a covered veranda once blocked sunlight from entering the home, there is now a bright outdoor space. A mango tree at the front of the property creates a visual link between the different areas, adding shade and bringing nature into daily life. Two large concrete beams support the new spaces, which include the kitchen, the living room, an additional bedroom, and a bathroom. The living areas were designed with the relaxed atmosphere of a veranda, allowing everyday life to flow naturally between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large roof overhangs protect the house from sun and rain while creating sheltered walkways throughout the site. The structure was also designed to support a future second floor, ensuring that the house can continue to evolve over time. More than an extension, this project demonstrates how a simple courtyard can completely transform the experience of a home, bringing light, air, and nature back into the center of daily life.